where to start. It has been a whole month since I last picked up a camera and did any filming. It's been an interesting month. We have a new addition at home called Pumba. We've had news on 2 surgeries. One of them's tomorrow, that's my ankle. I'm going to do a whole separate video on that because it needs it. My ankle is clicking and clunking as we speak right now, walking. And then in other news, I've been confirmed for my tumour surgery, which is great, obviously. It's what I wanted, but it's just the realisation that it's going to be happening, what's involved, the recovery process. It took me a while to process it. I was just also waiting for confirmation to come through before I sort of let anybody know. But it is happening now, be in the next 90 days. So yeah, things are moving forward. I've only managed a handful of workouts in the last month, just energy levels and general feeling pretty crap. So you'll see them shortly. But yeah, we are 2 out of 3 surgeries in, booked, so on the up. Realised that I never said what the other surgery was. Just for the full house, I've got to have my gallbladder removed. Apparently I've got a gallstone the size of a golf ball in there. I can't drink.